welcome back to my channel.
So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a review on the Smile Diva Teeth Whitening Kit. So this is what comes inside the Smile Diva Teeth Whitening Kit, and if you guys want to check it out, I'm going to post the link down below, and don't forget to use the coupon code LADYLUCK25 for 25% off of your purchase and free shipping. As I mentioned later in this video, this kit is really easy to use. You just put the solution in the mouth guard. There's no need for molding it to your teeth. Pop in the light and pop it in your mouth.
So I actually got this back in Virginia before we moved, and I started the process of whitening my teeth with this kit, and then my life got so hectic with packing and moving and traveling and settling into this new apartment that I totally forgot about it. And I've been using it the last few days, and I was like, I forgot I was gonna be reviewing this product. So yeah. Anyways, so this is actually my first video being filmed in the office room. This room is the biggest mess. Okay, I'm going to get into teeth whitening in a minute, but I want to say really quick, a lot of you have been requesting cleaning videos. And the reason why I haven't posted any cleaning videos is because I'm not really settled in yet. So I feel like I can't do a cleaning video before I do a fully furnished apartment tour video. So I'm gonna hold off on the cleaning videos, and I'm gonna hold off on the tour video until this place is finished, because this place, as you can see, is a mess. But this feels so weird, like doing a video in this room. Okay, anyways, so I actually really like this company. I have used their skincare products before, and now they have teeth whitening kits, which is awesome. So I'm going to tell you all of the things I love about this teeth whitening kit. First of all, I want to say this teeth whitening kit worked really well, but aside from it working really well, this teeth whitening kit actually has some perks, okay? So some things I love about this. I've used teeth whitening kits before, and they're pretty time consuming. And if you're not used to a mouth guard in your mouth and one of these light things, you might not like having to have something in your mouth for a really long time. I can only keep it in there for so long until I get like, ooh. So what I love about this one is it's literally only 10 minutes. Another thing I love about this is when you turn this on, you put it in your mouth, it actually has an automatic timer, so it cuts off when it's done. Normally I have to set a timer on my phone, and it's really annoying, but this just cuts off when it's done. So I just lay in bed with my little mouth guard and my teeth whitening solution and the little light, and I just relax and play on my phone. Easy peasy, and it's quick. This kit actually came with 3 syringes, and there is 6 treatments in total. Like I said, this literally only takes 10 minutes of your time, so you could actually clean your apartment, you could chillax in bed, you could even be taking a bath if you wanted to. 10 minutes is all it takes. It's really easy to use, and another thing I love about this kit is you don't have to mold the mouth guard. I've had to do that before, and yeah, I like the fact that I can just pop this in and connect it to the light and then just put it in. And like I said, it has the automatic timer, so it cuts off when you're done. You don't have to keep track of it. Yeah, I have noticed a big difference with my teeth when using this kit. Like I said, I love the fact that it doesn't take that long. I love the automatic shut off. The only thing I would suggest if you're going to order this kit is to be very careful when you are squeezing out the solution, because a lot of it wants to come out at once, and a little bit goes a long way. So if you can just gently do the solution in there with your finger, just don't push it too hard, or too much is gonna come out. Other than that, I actually love this kit. I have maybe 1 or 2 more treatments left, and then I'm gonna be done. And my teeth are already looking amazing. So it's actually recommended to use this daily for best results. I also contacted the company to ask them how often I could use it, because I was a little bit worried about doing it every day, but it's actually safe to use every day. Another good thing is if you have sensitive teeth, this will not bother you whatsoever. It did not bother my gums, it didn't bother my teeth, and my teeth are sensitive, but I haven't had any issues with it. So yeah, it's really easy to use. It's a really nice kit. If you want to get one for yourself or even for a gift, I will try to get a coupon code for you guys, and if I get one, I will put it down in the description. But yeah, this is a really nice setup, super simple, easy to use, and gets the job done. So yeah, anyways, it's been a long day, and the weather in Houston is so crappy right now. It's like rainy and like, where is the sunshine? I came here for the warmth and the sunshine, but I guess I came during the wrong season. But anyways, okay, so like I said, I will be doing cleaning videos in the future. I promise you, this place needs cleaned like every 5 seconds. This black floor is like, but yeah, so I'm gonna be doing cleaning videos in the future and a fully furnished tour when we're done with this place. It's just been so hectic around here, and yeah, I haven't had a chance to do anything. But yeah, so this is my first review in my new apartment, which feels pretty cool and different, and I don't know what this setup is, but it's really messy. Need to clean it, but yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already subscribed yet. Give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, just leave me some comments down below. I would love to hear from you. I'm gonna quit blabbing. I'm gonna let you go, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.